Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel You Develop Code, and today we will be solving one question in a multiple ways. So I will be making one file under this folder section JS interview coding questions. I will be naming that file as largest element in array. So let me give the file name and it will be the JS file. So what we are going to find here is find the largest element in array. So let's create one array. So I will be creating one constant variable and I will name that variable as an array itself, and I will store some values in this array. So let's store some values like 1, 2, 5, 8 and 3. So now I will be solving this question in a multiple ways. So let's do in a first way. So for that, create one function as we need to find the largest element. So I'm going to write the function name is largest number. So within this largest number function, we are going to pass one parameter array and we will console this function over here. So let's console this function and I'm going to pass this array variable that we created within this console. And under this function, we need to perform some logic. So we are going to return math.max and we are going to use spread operator for this array and return this value. And let's check in the terminal. So I'm going to write here as node and the file name, that is the largest element in array .js, and it is returning us the correct value, which is the 8, because 8 is the largest number in this array. This way of solving this question is one of the easiest way. But we all know that during our interviews, our interviewers are expecting more than this. This is one of the inbuilt method and our interviewers don't want this. So I will be solving this question in some other ways as well. So let me comment this function and I will be doing this question in a second way. So let's copy paste this function for now. Uncomment this function and remove this thing, return thing. So now the logic is we need to sort the array. As you can easily see that this array is not a sorted array. So what I'm going to do is I will be sorting this array. So we all know there is one more inbuilt method of sorting. So we can use this array.sort. This sort is a callback function which returns two params a comma b, and we can actually sort this array in a descending manner. So for your clarity, let me console this sort array value and I'm going to show you the value that we are getting. So here you can see what we are getting. We are getting the 8 at the first place because we have sorted the array in a descending manner. So now we can simply return sort array 0th value. So right now this array is coming as undefined because we didn't return anything under this function. And let me comment this console and show you the value now. It is again giving you the correct answer, which is 8. This is one of the second way, and I'm going to tell you some more ways as well. By the way, using this sort method, not necessarily you always need to sort this array in descending manner. There is one more way. I'll just comment this one and I'll prefer this one as the third way. So let's copy this thing. So here what we are simply going to do is we are going to remove this callback function from this sort method So now if I'll console that sort array, I'll show you what is happening and I will comment down this return for now. So let's see. So when you are just not passing any parameters inside this sort method, it will directly return you the sorted array, which is in ascending order. So now what you can simply do is, from here you can find your last number, because always the largest one will come at the last. So one of the way is write the sort array, make one array and do like sort array dot length minus 1. Now it will return you the correct answer. Now let's solve this question in a fourth way. So I will be commenting this line and this is the fourth method. So I will copy this function name from here and now I'm going to loop over this array. So let's do a for loop, give some initial index as 0, take it till array dot length and now what we are exactly going to do in this fourth method is we are going to create one variable like let and largest value. So we are going to give some initial value to this largest value. So let's give the initial value as array zeroth value. Now we will be checking one condition, that if this array I, if it is larger than largest value, in that condition we are going to save that value of array in this largest value variable. So now its variable value would be array of I value and I'm going to return largest value then. Now let's check in the console. It's giving us the again correct answer. So what we are exactly doing in this fourth method is we are creating one variable in which we are going to give some initial value. Then we will be looping over this one and we will be checking that when we are looping this array. So if any of the values are greater than this initial value or not, if it is greater than this initial value, we would be mutating this value over here. So here you can see that I have told you the several ways of doing one question using inbuilt method, sorting and looping also. But you need to find that which is the most efficient way and what the interviewers want you to do. If you found my videos helpful, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.